In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Klaviyo. This process is foundational for enhancing your e-commerce marketing efforts, allowing you to seamlessly sync your customer and order data with an intuitive email marketing platform. Let's dive right in and make this integration happen smoothly so you can start leveraging the potential of targeted marketing campaigns. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. This is your main control hub where you can make changes and additions to your store. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Shopify App Store. The App Store is a wonderful resource that hosts a variety of apps designed to boost the functionality of your online store. To find it, look for Apps on the sidebar of your admin dashboard, and within that section, you'll see the option to visit the Shopify App Store. Upon entering the App Store, you'll need to use the search bar to locate the app we need. Type in Klaviyo, email marketing, and SMS. It's essential to enter it as written to ensure you're finding the correct application among the myriad of options available. This app will be the bridge between Shopify and Klaviyo, connecting your store with powerful marketing tools that will help you manage email lists, send out campaigns, and even set up SMS marketing. Once you've found Klaviyo, email marketing, and SMS in the search results, you'll see an option to add the app. Click on Add App, and your browser will guide you through the installation steps. It's straightforward, but pay close attention to any prompts that appear. As you proceed, Shopify will likely ask you to confirm this installation. It's a standard security measure to ensure that you're intentionally adding this app to your store. Simply select Install App to proceed. This confirmation step ensures that no unintended changes are being made to your store, protecting your business from unauthorized actions. Congratulations! With the app now installed, you're all set to start using Klaviyo's suite of marketing tools directly from your Shopify store. Explore its features by setting up your email campaigns, creating customer segments, and automating messages. This integration will empower your store with advanced capabilities to engage with your customers in more personalized and effective ways. To wrap up, remember that integrating Shopify with Klaviyo isn't just about linking two platforms. It's about unleashing a strategic advantage to understand and reach your audience with precision. With these steps, you're well on your way to scaling your business efforts. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment within Klaviyo to find the best marketing strategies that work for your brand. If you have any questions or need further guidance, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing.